Hi everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm back for another video for AEP 858, Data Analysis and Assessment. This time we're going to be talking a little bit about Module 6, Project 3, which is Perception Data. This is an extension of Module 5, the discussion on perception data. So hope you've enjoyed this type of data. So let's get started on this. First thing you should do is kind of go through the resources. Click on each one, read it, look at the websites, kind of get familiar, and then we will go on into the process. So this module deals with perception data, and one of the sources we have in Kansas for perception type of data is the Kansas Community Care Survey. Many states have it, not exactly like this, but your state should have something similar. So we're going to use that. And what we're going to do is there's another resource here. There's this getting to perceptions through questionnaires link. So if you open that up, I would like you to take a look at this resource, read it, print it off and read it. You don't have to read the whole thing, although there's a lot of great information in this, but I really want you to focus on the analyzed results, reporting results, and sharing and review results pieces. So really focus on these three, but again, you can read the thing if you want to, but you really just need to focus on this because we're not really going to design any questions. We're just going to basically analyze the responses. So take a look at this, print it off. It's a good little resource. It's another Barnhart thing, and if you're seeing the trend, Barnhart has done a lot of great research in the area of data and data analysis. So that's why we're using a lot of it. So what you're going to do after you go through that, you're going to start looking at the Kansas Community Care Survey. And again, if you click on it, there's a ton of stuff there. You don't have to look at it all. We're basically going to focus on the school domain, the family domain, the peer individual domain, and at least one other. So you're going to pick these three, and then you can pick one of your choice. So click the survey, and it'll open up. And we're going to look at the student survey. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to look at my county. I'm going to pick Lyon County because that's where I'm from. Then here's your categories. So here are your domains. So we talked about the domains we're going to look at. We're going to look at the school domain. So here's the school domain. And then underneath that, there's a lot of different questions. And again, you don't have to look at all of this. Pick out a couple areas that are interesting to you, like bullying is interesting, commitment to school, academic failure. Pick one or two of these areas and kind of analyze it. Now, as you're doing that, you're going to want to kind of record your thoughts. So what I have here is I have a model, a FAIR model. Click on it, and it'll allow you to make a copy of it. And one of the themes of this course is not only do we talk about data and assessment, but we also talk a lot about data protocols and ways to collect data, analyze data, generalize data, things like that. And the FAIR model does a good thing to help you go through the process of data analysis. So it talks about what are the strengths, what are the challenges, and again, implications. We talked about that before. And then other data. That's came up as well. So implications and other data is important, but also our strengths and challenges. So you can use this FAIR model to help organize your thoughts as you go through these different domains. So let's say, for example, you pick bullying. During the school year, how often do you see someone being bullied? If you click on that question, it'll actually give you a chart. You can kind of see the trends in the data. So you can kind of go through that and analyze your school community and go through those domains. So that's the actual data part of this module. Now, if we go on and we get a little further, you're going to do a little bit of work. You're going to work to connect the data to the processes and protocols described in this module. So what you're going to do is you're basically going to describe the process you would use to analyze perception data with your staff and community. You're going to develop a one-page document, an infographic, similar to last module, Module 4, that we're working on now, grading. I'm almost done with that. But again, you're going to make a module. You're going to make an infographic or some kind of a flyer, a brochure, or something like that that you can use to describe the themes of growth and celebration. It's important that we understand where we need to grow, but we also need to have celebrations on what we do well. So look for those things. And then what you're going to do is you're going to design a plan to build consensus on the themes that need to be celebrated and improved in your school. So, number 6, this is a note. You should describe the process, step 1, the process. And step 3, the plan in the comment section. So in the comment section, you're going to put down 1 and 3. Then you're going to attach your one-page document, whatever it is, in step 2 to your post. So that's going to be your document. So you're going to have your process, you're going to have your plan in the comment section, and then you're also going to have a one-page document attached. And you're also going to have a little bit of the standard piece. Again, this is getting better. Some of you still need to work on the standard correlation pieces, but you're getting better. Work on this. This is important because this is where you're going to learn how to apply the standards and the knowledge that you're learning. And then one last thing is a little unique to this class is I would like you to make a post to Twitter and use this hashtag right here. So make a post, put that hashtag on it, and then we can actually go out on Twitter and look at everybody's responses. If you actually go out and search this hashtag, you're going to see a bunch of other people who have done the same thing that you're doing now. So it's kind of cool. So again, this is module number 6, project number 3. Hope this helps you with some clarity. If you have questions, please let me know. I'm here to help you. Hope you have a good evening. I'll talk to you later. Bye.